This is for all the traders out there and also the people who are teaching trading as an education. Now, when I'm talking about trading, I'm talking about stock market in specific. So a lot of time what happens is when you're talking about stock market, the people who work really hard from 9 to 3, even during their training, they require screens of a very larger scale. But at the same time, they would not want to use a projector because they want to see things on a real-time basis. Now, using my split screen option, I'll be able to show the charts where, for example, in case I want to expand something, I'll be able to do that using my finger. And in case I want to show that this is a perfect buy, or this is where you have to buy and this is where you have to sell, use the pen option from your menu bar. And as soon as the pen option appears here, you can select the color that you want. Just select this as buyer and this as seller. You can just insert the screenshot and it will directly come to your whiteboard. So like this, you can create a number of screenshots while your training is happening so that separately you don't have to use your laptop or any other device. So for all the people who are into trading and who want to maximize their trading potential using our panel, please get back to us and we'll be happy to help.